As the temperatures drop and winter approaches, industrial heater adapters become increasingly popular. Many heavy-duty heaters come with NEMA 620 or NEMA 630 connections, and it's essential to have the right adapters to power them safely and efficiently. And here we have the two adapters with these different types of connections. One features a 30 amp NEMA 630, and the other has a 20 amp NEMA 620. Before we proceed, it's crucial to understand that 250 volt appliances require 250 volt power sources. This means they won't work with ordinary household outlets, but will function with 250 volt outlets like the range or dryer outlets you might have in your home. Let's take a closer look at the NEMA 620. The 620 is commonly mistaken for the NEMA 520 or even a household 515. You can really tell the difference with the plug ends. With the ground up on the 620, the prong on the right is actually horizontal instead of being straight up and down like the 515. And to compare it to the 520, the horizontal prong is on the opposite side. It's like a mirror effect. But here's the kicker. The 6 in the NEMA 620 means that the connection outputs 250 volts, unlike the 520 or 515 that can only supply 125 volts. When it comes to adapting your industrial or heavy-duty heaters, we've got you covered. For our first example, our AD1430630 adapter allows you to connect a 4-prong dryer outlet to a NEMA 630 plug. This is perfect if you need to heat an area close to the outlet. But you might be thinking, what if I want to heat a room that's a little further away from the dryer outlet? No worries, we offer products like the S1430630-018 adapter and the 1430 PR extension cord for the 4-prong dryer outlet. These extension cords come in lengths of 10 feet, 25 feet, and 50 feet, giving you the flexibility to heat spaces further away from the power source. Let's say instead you have the 620 heater and you need to get that powered from a similar situation like this. You'd want to use something like SD620PR, which is essentially an overkill cord with 10 gauge wire, and this will help reduce voltage drop. And we also have, for the range and dryer outlet, S1450 CB620 and S1430 CB620. Both of these adapters come with a built-in circuit breaker, providing extra protection by preventing your appliance from drawing too much power from the source. If you're interested in any of these products, we've provided links in the description below. We hope this video helps you stay warm and powered up this winter. Comment below if you'd like us to make any other related video, and subscribe for more helpful and related videos. Stay warm, stay safe, and stay powered up with AC Works.